what's up guys? So in my last video I showed you guys that I made some sauteed green beans in the air fryer. So today I'm going to show you along with that video, which is in the same day, but just gave you two separate videos so that you guys can follow along. I'm going to do a fried pork chop to go along with those sauteed green beans, and I'm going to fry this pork chop in the air fryer as well. So this is a quick meal if you guys forgot to take out dinner and want to do something quick and you have pork chops thawing out, or you just want to cook for dinner, or you just have one pork chop that's thawing out that you used previously but still has some leftovers. This is great for that as well. So I'm going to show you guys how I fry my pork chop in the air fryer. Please let me know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see next. What do you want me to see me put in the air fryer? If you guys want to see more dessert videos or more steaks and stuff like that. I also have a huge video coming out tomorrow where I'm going to do lamb chops. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, and if you're not new to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell and make sure you leave a comment, and make sure you hit that like button to let me know that you guys like these videos. And also I want to thank you guys for 365 subscribers, I believe. But I want to thank you guys for that. On the road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Let's get there. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So let's get right into this fried pork chop in the air fryer. Pork chop, then I put a little bit of oil. So now I'm just going to lay it flat inside of my air fryer. I'm going to wash my hands. Now that I have washed my hands, I'm going to Now I'm going to put it on. So put it on 400, and we're gonna. So I will see you guys once it is all done and cooked, and I will show you guys how it came out and how golden and crisp, just like when you fry it on the stove. But don't forget to make sure you guys subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys when the timer goes off. Okay guys, so here is the finished product, and as you guys can see, it is perfectly fried. And I'm gonna add the green beans. So this is the green beans, add it on to there. And look, voila, you have a great meal in just a couple minutes. It didn't take long, it didn't make a big mess, and you just can clean it in the air fryer instead of clean your air fryer, put it in the dishwasher. But here is the finished product. I'm going to cut the pork chop so you guys can see it. The inside, it has a nice crunch. And yeah, that is the pork chop, guys. Fried pork chop in the air fryer. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Bye.